that have small heads, I don't like you. I don't like you at all. How dare you have a small head? Let's all have big head problems together. You are expensive. You are unconstructed. You are small. And you have the nerve to be shedding on my shoulder. Ah, I have been scammed. Hello my lovely angels, welcome back to my channel. Super excited to have you guys here again, and if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Super excited to have you here with me. I hope you click on that subscribe button so you can officially join my YouTube journey. For this week's video, I am going to be doing a haul. No, it's not going to be a clothing haul. My bank balance is not smiling, okay? I'm not smiling. Girls are not smiling. In fact, this is not my real face. This smile is not real. This face is not real. Like, everything you're seeing is an illusion. I'm going to be bringing you guys a haul, and it's going to be of a new product I just discovered. Like, this one blew me away. I think I'm just overhyping it, but I don't even know. I don't know. So I just want to ask you guys, did you guys know this product existed? Are you guys up to date, or are you living in a jungle like me? Because why did I just discover that this, oh, it's on the net, that this right here is a thing? Like, I just found out that something like this existed. And if you don't know what I'm saying, look at it carefully. This is a wig cap. Like, the units, I mean the bundle, are glued to a cap. Did you guys know this thing existed, or I'm so confused? People actually events though. How does somebody sit down, wake up one morning and be like, how about I stick a bundle on a cap and sell it? Like, how do people come up with these ideas? Somebody needs to hit me on the head so I can become a genius too, because people are out here making money and I'm out here buying clothes, spending my money on what they've invented. Okay, all right, so let me see. Okay, so I actually have it on now, and yeah, it's a bit too small, but that's not even the vendor's fault, okay? Because I have a big head. Every big head problem you can think of, I have it. My head is big and my forehead is even bigger, okay? Honestly, as I'm looking at the mirror right now, all I can see is my forehead shining like a diamond. But let me see. It's terrible. All I can see is my forehead. I don't understand it. Like, oh my days. Oh, beauty. Such a tough thing to achieve. Anyway, yeah, so this is what the hair looks like, and I have to say I'm a little bit shocked. The cap is small, but after adjusting the strap, it's not that bad. The color of the hair, I actually like it. I really like it, and the texture is actually nice, and I'm very shocked because I got this hair from Amazon. Yes guys, I got it from Amazon. I wasn't trying to get anything crazy expensive because I knew at the end of the day I was going to be returning it, simply because this style is not something that suits me. First of all, as you can see, my forehead is just shining through it. And when you see me, if you saw me in this wig, you won't see the wig. The first thing you see is my forehead. My forehead is not a style that suits me. That's one. And number two, I play too much, okay? I play too much. I am like a child, so I will just mistakenly, as I'm outside, I will just mistakenly be touching the hair, be touching the cap, and the next thing you know, the cap is in the east or wherever, and I'm in the other direction. And I won't even notice until I feel the breeze just fanning my head continuously. So this is not something I can do. I am loving this one. I don't know if you can see the color properly on the camera, but it looks so nice. So I'm going to take this one off. And I'm going to try on the other one. Don't look at me. Stop looking at me, okay? Don't look at me like that. What's wrong with you? Oh, okay. Okay, so I guess my love for this one just died. The cap, even unstrapped, is not trying to get on my head. The cap is so tight, it's literally squeezing my brain. But if you have a small head, I think this could actually work for you. Like, look at it. What do you guys think? But just so you know, all of you that have small heads, I don't like you. I don't like you at all. Like, there is nothing about you to be liked. How dare you? How dare you have a small head? Let's all have big head problems together. This one has left me shocked. This is the cap. Why is the unit not on the cap? Am I what's going on?
Hi, Angel. angels. I just noticed that the video has a lot of background noise. The window was open while I was filming and I didn't take note of the cars that were passing by. So sorry about that. Please bear with me. The noise will be out in a few minutes.
I'm done constructing this. I think I finally got the hang of it. And let's just get this one on. Whatever. I'm not going to show you guys my hair. I mean, I can't be hiding it. Plus, let me look like the Becky I look like.
What? What the fuck?
What do I say? It's the audacity for me. It is the audacity for me. That's all I have to say. Can you believe this one was the most expensive one? It was the most expensive one. Where is this? The other ones were small, right? But at least they could sit in my head. This one is just sitting on my head. It's reminding me of this 90s hairstyle of Amy Winehouse. Like, right there. You know, when you're not wearing the wig, you just slap it on your head. That's what this one is giving me. It's just the audacity for me. This one is the most like, the audacity is plenty. Oh, are you seeing this? The hair is falling out. Hey, I have been scammed. Where do I start with this one? You are expensive. You are unconstructed. You are small, and you have the nerve to be shedding on my shoulder. Who is this vendor? Who is this vendor? You've insulted me enough. I will find you out later. I will find you. All these small head people, I hate you still. Just know I still hate you. Okay, so this is the next one. This one has audacity as well. Yo, I won't lie. Like, I'm actually digging the length of these things, and they don't look synthetic. Like, when you look at them, I usually used to think that Amazon hair used to scream, "Look at me, I'm synthetic." Hey, have you seen me yet? Synthetic, look this way. I thought that's what Amazon hair looks like, but they actually don't look synthetic, and running my hands through it, like this is the first one I ran my hand through that felt a bit tangled. The other two long ones, forget about this nonsense, this one is a rubbish film. The other two long ones, I could actually run my hand through it very smoothly, so this one is not bad. But yeah, let me just remove this nonsense fellow and try this one, a very better fellow. That vendor, me and you are going to be having some chat. A chat. I can't even speak English again because you vexed me. Have you guys noticed yet in my videos, like whenever I'm happy, I talk like the funnel will be coming out. So it's not real accent, it's the one I bought at Balogun Market. It comes and it goes. But when I'm angry, you start hearing the Niger in me. Even, I'm not Yoruba, but I'll start speaking Yoruba sometimes even. Okay, so this one, I don't know how I feel about this one. Again, it's giving me big head problems. Like these vendors, in fact, I'm not going to blame my head, I'm going to blame the vendors. You are, what's the word? You see the anger from this cap, I can't remember the English they taught me in school. But yeah, what's the word? You are discriminating, yes, that's it. You are discriminating. So when you're creating a product, you're creating for people that have small head and big. So big head people, we cannot buy anything. The insult is plenty. It's very plenty. Oh. It's plenty. See as you're squeezing my forehead. So it's a crime to have big forehead. All of you with small heads. I'm your hater. Take it. I don't hate you like that. As in, watch the video. But when you're not watching it, take your small head elsewhere. But make sure you finish watching the video and make sure you click the subscribe button and make sure you like it. So you can apologize for having small head while living with a big head. Is this something you guys will actually buy? I don't know. Definitely, I've said it again, it's not my style. I play too much. I will literally be in public doing this with the hair. And the next thing you know, the cap will be there, I will be here, and I won't even realize until the breeze starts hitting my head that my wig has fallen off. I'm just going to embarrass my entire family if I go out with this thing. But yeah, guys. Yeah, it feels good, it looks nice. So buying a wig from Amazon, what do I have to say about it? I don't know, I think it's a hit or miss. At least you guys can see this wary over here. It's a very big wary. But so far, I am pleasantly surprised that the hair don't look as synthetic as I thought. And another thing is, this hair, they're cheap and returning it is easy. Unlike AliExpress. If you buy hair from AliExpress and it doesn't come out well, don't over return it, just keep it. I remember when I bought a hair from AliExpress and I wanted to return it. I went to Canada Post to ship it back. Hair I bought like 150. Shipping back was like $90. I mean, they've seen Mugu written across my forehead. No, I was so shocked. I bought it for 150. The hair came out anyhow. So ship back. They're telling me it's like $90 to ship back to China. Plus, the one that pained me was that I thought everything was going to be free. I've already paid for everything. A few weeks later, FedEx sent me a bill for custom. The insult was plenty on that week. But ever since then, when I see AliExpress, I run in the other direction. It's not me and them. They've used me to do Mugu one too many times. But yeah, so this is the last one I have to try on. And yeah, so far, what do you guys think? The disrespect is plenty. This vendor will not kill me. You see where I bought this one from? This is where I bought this one from. It came unconstructed. If I wanted to make a wig cap, I will buy a cap and I will buy bundles and I will sew it. It's not that I went on Amazon too for wig cap and you want me to still construct it after taking my money. So this is what this one looks like. It's I don't even know why I bought this color, but another reason why I got them in different colors. They may not look like different colors on camera because it's just the darker shades of like red, brown, of course black, and then this one is extremely light. But I've been experimenting with my hair color and I want to look for hair colors that fit me. I don't like black anymore. I just don't like black. All my wigs are blonde, red, or a different color. Plus, I actually want to dye my natural hair. So I'm using this wigs to experiment to see what color would look nice on me. But seeing how this video is going, I've even completely forgot why I bought the different colors. The only thing that I'm thinking about is why is my forehead shining through the cap? And why is this weird seller making me do all the work on this nonsense wig? Did you guys expect anything else from this vendor? Because I know I did not. After this, where is that weird? Where is it? Madman, you're hiding. It's somewhere, sha. After that last one, I didn't expect anything better from the vendor. See now? You've seen it. This is how the hair looks like. It's just sitting on my head. It's not on my head. It is just sitting on top. Like they just like this carry go. That's what it's doing. But anyway, guys. So yeah, this is the last one I have to try on for you guys. Whoever came up with this, I salute you and I also insult you because, as you can see, because of you, I've been insulted all through this video because these vendors just are not catering to my head size. So let me know, would you be buying this? Like, would you be buying this? Let me tell you guys, before I forget, man, you're not left out. You are not left out in this wearing. You're not left out in this madness. On Amazon, they have wigs for you guys as well. Cap wigs for you guys. Let me tell you, I saw multiple selections and I was trying to buy different ones. They even have the one that comes with the bucket hat. Not the normal hat, the bucket hat. They have one that comes with the up. In fact, I'll be inserting pictures so you guys can see the different selections, but I couldn't use them in this video because those ones take a longer time to ship, like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month and stuff like that, so I couldn't use it. But I'll be inserting the different selections that they have somewhere. And yeah, guys, would you guys be buying this? This haul was a disaster. I was insulted, my ego was bruised, the vendors were showing me audacity. The insult was plenty. That's the conclusion. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this very short video to come and catch cruise, and I will see you guys again next week Friday with another interesting content. Stay safe, guys. I love you. Click on that subscribe button if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? Don't let me come to your dreams. Click on it. Take care. Bye.